Good morning students, welcome to you all. 12th standard accountancy. In this video we are going to discuss unit 7 company accounts. So what is meant by company? So all you know that company is a voluntary association of persons on which has separate legal entity. It has a perpetual succession and the liability of the members is limited. It is called a company. So how to prepare the company accounts? Today we are going to discuss the how to prepare the company accounts. So before the company account, prepare the company accounts. So we have to know the journal entries. So when shares are issued for cash or par, so the following journal entries are made. First one, on the receipt of application money. So we have to write the journal entry. So bank account debtor to equity share application. On allotment of shares, transfer to the share application money. So share application money application account debtor to equity share capital. Then third entry, on refund of application money for rejection application. So entry, equity share application account debtor to bank account. And the fourth one, for allotment money due. So equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital. Then on receipt of allotment money, bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. The next, on making of call for the call money due, the entry, equity share call account debtor to equity share capital account. Then last, on the receipt of call money, bank account debtor to equity share call account. So that means first call account or final call account. Here we are going to discuss illustration 1. Thai Limited issued 1 lakh equity shares of 10 each, payable 5 rupees application, 2 rupees allotment and 2 rupees first call and 1 rupees on final call. So total share equity shares. So equity shares are always called ordinary shares. So rupees 10 each. Shares 10 each. So for application 5 rupees, for allotment 2 rupees and first call 2 rupees and final call 1 rupees. Okay. So all the shares are subscribed. So the shares are fully subscription. So the amount was duly received. So pass the journal entries. So how to prepare the journal entries? So first in the books of Thai Limited, journal entries. Okay, so date column, we all know the format of journal entry. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first one, for application we have to write the first entry, bank account debtor to equity share application, equity share application. So the total share, equity share is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, application money is 5 rupees. So 1 lakh into 5. So 5 lakh rupees. Okay. So being narration we have to write, being application money received, being application money received. Okay. So first for application entry, bank account to equity share application. So the application money transfer to the share capital. So we have to write on the one more entry. So equity share application account data, equity share application account data to share capital, to share capital being application money transferred to the share capital, application money transferred to share capital. Same amount 5 lakh. So for application we have to write 2 entries. So first entry, application money received, then second one, the money transferred to the share capital. Okay, next for allotment. So we have to write for allotment. Second entry, for allotment entry, equity share allotment account data, equity share allotment account data to equity share capital, equity share capital. So 1 lakh into application allotment rupees 2 rupees. So for allotment money 2 rupees. So 1 lakh into 2 rupees, 2 lakh. Being allotment money due, being allotment money due. Okay, so next entry, bank account, the money received. So bank account data to, bank account data to equity share allotment, bank account data to equity share allotment being allotment money received, being allotment money received, same amount 2 lakh. Okay, so for allotment 2 entries finished. So next for first call account. So first call account, equity share first call account data to equity share capital, equity share capital. So amount 1 lakh into first call amount also same 2 rupees. So 1 lakh into 2 rupees, 2 lakh. So next entry, the money received. So bank account data to equity share first call being first call money received, first call money received 1 lakh, sorry 2 lakh. So next we have to write the for second call. So once again, so for application, bank account data to equity share application 1 lakh ordinary shares into 5 rupees for application, 1 lakh into 5 lakh. Then the application money transferred to the share capital. So equity share application account data to share capital 5 lakh. Then next equity share allotment. So entry equity share allotment account data to share capital. So total ordinary shares 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 2 rupees 2 lakh. 1 lakh into 2 rupees 2 lakh. Then money received, allotment money received. So bank account data to equity share allotment 2 lakh. Then for next first call, so first call equity share first call account data to equity share capital. So 1 lakh into 2 rupees, 2 lakh. So the first call money is received. So bank account data to equity share first call. So next we have to write for second call. So for second call entry, same entry. So we have to write equity share second and final call account data, second and final call account data to equity share capital, So 1 lakh into final call amount is 1 rupees. So 1 lakh into 1 rupees, 1 lakh. So next final call money received. So bank account data to equity share second and final call account. Second and final call account being second and final call account money received, being second and final call money received. Okay, so the amount, same amount, 1 lakh. I hope you all understood the first fully subscribed sum. Thank you.